Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, audible, sir. Atul Ramkade, sir, you are welcome.
Yeah, sir. Good afternoon to everyone. Dr. Prakash, Divakaran sir, Dr.
Yes, sir.
Karmatkar sir,
Yes.
uh,
Yes.
Manoj Jain sir, and all the
Thank you.
dignitaries and participants for this international conference that we are going to conduct, which is being conducted today and tomorrow. Once again, I wish you all a very, very warm welcome. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present the paper at this conference. The topic of my paper, directly I'll come to my topic of my paper, which is going to be presented, is growth of cafe culture in India, a study on challenges faced by cafe chains in India. So, since I am from the hospitality industry, I have purposely chosen this topic because if we have seen just before COVID, uh, there were a lot of cafes, coffee houses, cafes that has sprung up in our country, especially in this last decade. And so I thought ki, there should be a presentation done on this topic. So that was the reason. Now talking about cafes, we are very much it's a topic of everybody's liking. We all would like to visit cafe. We have visited cafes in our what you call life, and we have really enjoyed going to cafes. So what's it all about? Let's see. So changes in lifestyle in urban India has given a flip to the coffee cafe culture in our country. Meaning what is now the lifestyles of in our country has been changed because of globalization, because of people moving from one part to another part, and this we are also seeing a change in our particularly culture of our youths people that has really triggered the growth of cafes, mushrooming of cafes in our country. Now this can be attributed to the growing influence of globalization in urban parts of India. We have seen globalization, the effects of globalization in the urban parts of India. There were hospitality industry has really grown with the five-star hotels, three-star hotels, and specialty restaurants. So cafes eventually also have grown with this. Uh, cafe
एक बार में एक कर सकते हो कितनी लगाओ
Hello. Cafe influence is not only limited to metros of India, but now it has percolated to tier 2 and tier 3 cities of our countries. Like metros, so everybody is aware when this.
अरे डेस्टिनी ये अपने जूम में कस्टम वो कैसे लगते हैं बैकग्राउंड
Hello. Sorry, I'm getting some disturbances. Please, everybody, mute your. I'll request you to mute your speakers. Thank you. So, cafes is today not only restricted to the metros cities of the India. It has gone to tier 2 cities, the tier 3 cities like Pune, then in Maharashtra, Nagpur, Nasik, and so on and so forth in our countries. Then increase in disposable incomes of urban population of India has influenced the growth of coffee consumption in India. Now, what we have seen is, if we have seen the last decade, there has been a considerable increase in the income of middle class and above middle class people because of the increase in the salaries, in the perks that they are getting. And when you get more perks and money, people tend to spend. So that is also one of the reason why this coffee consumption pattern or in India has been really sprung up. Today, cafes, coffee shops, and bakery cafe chains operating in the country have emerged as hub for students and corporate alike. In the cafe, meaning is in the cafes, it's not only students, youngsters who would like to go and have their enjoy themselves having sipping coffee, but even corporates, people working in corporates, professionals, they also normally go and visit the cafes. Cafe have become an ideal heavens for romantic rendezvous as well as a businessman. This is an interesting thing for me. Romantic rendezvous. Basically, I mean, we all understand by this particular term. It's the should I say, the friends, the fast friends, the girlfriend, boyfriends, whatever you name it. They coffee house or cafes were the hotspot where they used to mingle around with them, maybe in couples or in groups, and it was a real a great place for them. But it's not only for them that this coffee shop is meant, but even businessmen. There are a lot of business strategies or dealings, or should I say, close down of the business also takes place at the cafes. So this is also a change that we have seen. Uh, Normally, now this study tries to find out the reasons for the growth and evolution of cafes in India, the challenges faced by the cafe owners, and the probable solutions to these challenges. So this is what we will be seeing through the slides. Now, when it comes to non-alcoholic beverages, coffee may seem to be an addiction, or it may be seen as an aspiring business. Now, initially, coffee, we have seen that